Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for Guyanese style salted fish cakes. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using pollock salted fish, but feel free to use any salt fish of choice. I'll be using some garlic, onions, some sweet pepper, thyme, parsley, scallion, and wiri peppers. And for the breading, I have some all-purpose flour, some cornmeal, complete seasoning. For my regular seasoning, I'll be using some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, Old Bay, and some more complete seasoning with 1 egg and a large potato. So what I did was cook my potato in the microwave. So I just damp a paper towel, wrap it, and place it in there for about 8 minutes. If you have the potato setting on your microwave, you can go ahead and use that. Then I went ahead and boiled my saltfish, rinse it with cool water. And I rinse it to my desire, how I feel like I want my saltfish. Not too salty, but it still had a bit of salt in there. You want to go ahead after that and just chop all the herbs and aromatics. I use my small chopper. You want this to be super fine. And this is how it will look once you're done. Then you want to go ahead and combine your flour, cornmeal, and complete seasoning. And just set that aside as well. Once my potato was cooked, I go ahead and just remove the skin. And what I realized is that I needed just a little bit more potatoes, so I cooked a small one and added to this. And yeah, I had enough. When you're making this particular recipe, you want to have basically equal amounts of saltfish to potato. You don't want too much potato, then you will be making potato cakes instead of fish cakes. You want to taste the fish, the saltfish in there. So it's always good to add equal amounts of both. So once I was done crushing my potato, I just set that aside, and then I had my saltfish here, which I went ahead and just squeezed some lime juice over just to get rid of any rankness that might be there. And I combined my herbs and aromatics with the seasoning to the potatoes, and I just mixed that in, work it in by hand, because basically you want to season the potatoes and the herbs and aromatics. Remember, the saltfish already has salt. Now we will combine the saltfish to that and just mix everything in. You want to add your egg just to bind everything together. Once everything is nicely combined, I will show you what to do next. So last step, you want to go ahead and just form your fish cakes. I like to do them in a oval shape because that's traditional how we do it in Guyana. But if you want to form it in like a round shape or any other shape, it's no big deal. You can go ahead and do that. Now once we form all of our fish cakes, we will head over to the stove and start the frying process. So now to my preheated skillet with some shallow oil, I will go ahead and fry the fish cakes. You want to make sure you do not crowd the skillet, and you want to fry them until they're golden brown on all sides. So, every now and then you want to go in and just flip them, rotate them so that they're being brown and cooked evenly on all sides. Once they're golden brown on all sides, you want to remove them and carry on with the same process until you're all done. And here you have it, my version of Guyanese style salted fish cakes. This was so amazing and flavorful. You can taste all the salt fish in there. It was not overshadowed by potato. And I stood at the countertop and ate 3 of them back to back to back. You can enjoy this with some cook-up rice, some dal puri and sour. That's my favorite. And you can have it with metmg. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.